Wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Yeah, what a nice place to come and use all the afternoon, man. Who's a beautiful girl standing up there, though?
When the sunset is wonderful.
Yeah, friend. Like you come for. Anyhow, see how it things go. Good afternoon, friend. My name is Sharon Black.
My name is Nikki.
I just come over here to tell you, man, how beautiful you are and, accept your beauty.
Thank you very much.
I just really interested in your thing like you.
Right now, I am looking for no boyfriend. No relationship. Okay?
Man, you looking for no boyfriend, but boyfriend looking for you, relationship looking for you, and I could be that man for you. You know what I mean? Just give me a chance, man.
Chat? Not Monopoly or what you playing chat? It's not a game.
But I don't play a game, so you get me now?
See? See what I'm seeing? What am I seeing? I seen a young man that I ain't fit for me. That's why I see it.
So how you know I am fit for you?
I know you're fit for
You
me.
gotta take the opportunity with me, then for know that I am fit. I
No
am fit for you.
opportunity? I want this opportunity to pass me by.
I is a young man with a bright future.
How bright is it?
Real bright.
It ain't bright in me, look in my eyes.
It might seem bright in your eyes, but I know deep down in your eye right now it's bright.
You're too young, you look at me age.
Man, age is just a number, you know. Age is just a number.
You say age is just a number. If I was 12, right? If you want to run child, what about the set?
Man, if you was 12, I would be 13, but if you was 12 and I was like 30, I can't deal with you because you're too young for me. You know though?
So age is just a number, but I is 12, child is a cell, number, and I deal, you say you deal with no 12-year-old. Okay. No,
Thank you for watching this video, guys. You don't know, like, comment, subscribe and share, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more new video when we upload. You don't know, one love. Peace out.